So ChatGPT now has this really useful feature called quizzes, and this is going to be great for providers of training like myself, or for anybody interested in acquiring a new skill, or perhaps becoming more knowledgeable about a particular topic. Now, how it works is that it creates an interactive quiz using flashcards, and depending on whether you've got the answer right or wrong, the quiz reacts accordingly. So we will see how this works in practice now. So you can either put in a text-only prompt, or you can upload a file and create the quiz based on the contents of that file. So for the purposes of this example, I've uploaded these slides for NILC's Introduction to Microsoft 365 Copilot training course. So plenty of slides in here, so about 70 odd slides, and lots of material for ChatGPT to get it stuck into and to create our quiz. And my prompt is create a 5-question quiz with flashcards based on the attached NILC AI training course. Now, one final step, and that is to select the quizzes feature. So just going to click on this, click on more, drop down to quizzes, and you can see that's confirmed the fact that the quizzes feature has been selected in the chat box. So we're now going to fire off the prompt. It's obviously got to analyze the PDF and the slides. You can now see the flashcard quiz is being created with my 5 questions. It's already up to question 4, and it's just creating question 5 now, and we should be ready to go. And ChatGPT is confirmed, all said. It says I've created a 5-question interactive quiz with flashcards. It's picked up the title of the course here, and it's focused on the learning materials that it's going to be asking questions on, and even given us suggestions on how it might be used. Quick knowledge check, warm-up refresher, independent self-study, and it's then given me some options to move on from there. But this is how the quiz actually looks. You can see we're on question 1 of 5. So let's get going with the quiz. And the correct answer is here. So going to click C, and you'll see that a green tick will appear here after I've selected this, and then it'll automatically, there we go, it's gone green. It's automatically moved on to the next question, which is kind of cool and a nice transition there. Next question is which Microsoft 365 apps were highlighted as key places where Copilot can be used. So this is the answer here. So I'll click that one, and that'll then move on, and you can see we're now on question 3. And the next question is, what is one example of a good task to ask Copilot to help with? So I'm going to deliberately get this one wrong so that you can see what happens under those circumstances. And the correct answer is this one, but we're going to put C, and you'll see that this time it's gone red and we had a cross. But helpfully for learning, it's given us a clue, because it says Copilot is strongest at saving time on everyday knowledge and communication tasks. So that suggests that D is the correct answer. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to move us on to question 4, which is, why is it important to give Copilot clear prompts and context? So we have got the correct answer C, clear prompts help Copilot produce more accurate and useful results. So I'm going to click that, which moves us on to the final question. Which statement best reflects responsible use of Copilot at work? So review and validate Copilot's outputs before using them is the correct answer. So we'll answer this, and then it has confirmed that we've finished the quiz, that we've got 4 out of 5. It's given us feedback there, and we can view the results, or we can go on to another quiz based on the same material. But let's just view the results here and drop down, and we've now got a summary of the quiz, so a nice review here coming in, confirming my answers and also the correct answer. So a nice review, detailed review there, and confirmation that I got 4 out of 5, and with a suggested next best step. So there we go, really nice little feature that, I think. And as I said, whether you're a provider of training, or you're interested in learning a new skill or acquiring knowledge about a new topic, should prove really useful.